Here, in the heart of the Amazon, we have this beautiful sea. Alright, cut. Ugh, what is this? Ugh.
Oh boy! It's really disgusting, isn't it?
Disgusting. Look at this, Frederick. Look at this.
I'm looking.
Look at this rock.
I'm looking.
It's about 8,000 years old. See the moss and the patterns on it. Alright, cut.
Bruh, fake rock.
Village used to be here 20 centuries ago. What was their name? I do not know. And who were their people? I also do not know. Welcome back, friends. As some people would say, Akuma Matata.
Get back into character.
Sorry. Hello, friends. Beautiful. Yellow whistle. What am I even saying? I hate this.
Oh boy!